Okay, let's begin by introducing the parts and supplied hardware. We have right side, left side Pannier racks, as well as a cross brace. In terms of hardware, we'll supply two M8 by 60 millimeter long hex head bolts plus washers, two M8 by 30 millimeter long hex head bolts plus washers plus spacers, and four M6 by 20 millimeter long hex head bolts plus washers plus nylock nuts. We'll be using a ratchet and various size extensions, T40 Torx socket, or you can use a key if that's what you have. Furthermore, 8 and 10 millimeter as well as 12 millimeter hex sockets and 10 millimeter wrench or spanner. You will begin by loosening the bolts on the passenger foot pegs for about 6 or 7 millimeters or a quarter inch or so. And then with the 12 millimeter socket, take out the bolts as shown in the video. And you can mount the Pannier rack by first hooking in the front end and then lining up the mounting holes, putting in the bolt, use medium strength Loctite, and then the second bolt, the longer one, don't forget to use blue Loctite, medium strength. So once that's done, put the little spacer in. You might have to keep it in place with your finger so it doesn't fall out. And then you can start pinching it by turning the bolt a couple of times. And you can repeat the same steps on the other side of the motorcycle. There's no difference here. Put in the bolts, don't forget the Loctite, spacer, gently slide it in, keep it in place with your finger, and then tighten the bolt. Next is mounting the cross brace. Use the M6 by 20 millimeter long bolts. Don't forget about the washers. One washer on each side, one on the bolt head side and one on the nut side. As you can see, there's a washer. Spin on the nylock nuts, and then you can begin to tighten. You can see the torque specs displayed on the screen. Just a gradual tightening process. Don't pull one bolt snug and then the next one. Go around it gradually and repeat. So once it's done, go out for a test ride, and then once again double check all the bolts and nuts that they're up to the torque specs. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Email info@outbackmotortech.com or call toll free 877-931-3636. Thank you for watching.